Hi, Abdul Rahim here. Thank you for checking out my webpage. You know, you're here to learn about affiliate marketing. Why? Because you've been told that it's probably one of the easiest ways to make money online, and you're correct. The thing is, affiliate marketing is a business, and you've got to treat it that way. If you don't, you will lose. Now we're living in a very dark time with what's happening worldwide, and so many people out of work, you know, and so many people are making money still. And, you know, for the ordinary person, it is quite difficult, you know. When you lose your job, nowhere to go, stuck in the house. But there's a way for you to make money online, you know. There's all different sort of ways: multi-level marketing, selling on one of those sales sites like eBay or Amazon. You know, the trouble with those, because I've done quite a bit of it, it takes a lot of work, and you have to be good at customer service, which I was not. But the profit margins can be small, you know, depending on what your products are. But what I have to say to you, the best, you know, after so much years of research and trying so many different things, I see affiliate marketing as one of the easiest ways to make money online. But you have to be careful. If you don't do it right, you will be lost, you know, because there's so much moving parts, and one part go wrong and you're out the game, and you just go around in circles, you just end up in a rabbit hole, and you don't want that. You want to be making money online for your efforts. So you need correct mentorship that is up to date, you know, because I remember buying to a program which was quite expensive, and the thing is, looking back at it now that I'm with the mentor I have, I can see that this program's so out of date, you know. It's so out of date. All the things they're teaching you to do is just wasting your time, and you know. And it was a very expensive program, so you can also, apart from wasting a lot of time, you can waste a lot of money. And you don't want that. You want the correct mentorship. You want something that's going to hold you by the hands, look over your shoulder, and lead you to where you want to go. Otherwise, you can do it for yourself. You can learn from, you know, there's loads of YouTube videos on how to do it. You can choose one. But it's difficult doing it on your own. You need mentorship. As I say, there's so much moving parts. Get one part wrong and you're finished. You know, I have a few friends who ask me, Abdul Rahim, what do you do? I said, I do affiliate marketing. And I said, what is that? I said, selling somebody else's product that's not your own. You don't have any customer service, and you get paid. How great is that? Wouldn't you like to earn money 24/7 with something that is not yours? The thing is, to do this, to get this done, you have to do it the correct way, or you can waste a lot of time, because 95% of affiliates don't make a penny, and you don't want to be one of those. You want to be one of the 5% who is making money, you know, seriously. So the correct mentorship is absolutely essential. Yeah, you can do it on your own, but you can also waste a lot of time, like I did. And also I bought into a lot of not so good mentorship. That was a total waste of time. You don't want to do that. You want to get something that is correct. And I'm giving you the correct method. just have to click on the link below this video and you'll find what I'm talking about. Thank you.